Learn Swahili language. Number one. I am happy to see you. Nina furaha kukuona. I am happy to see you. Nina furaha kukuona. Number two. Goodbye. Kwaheri. Goodbye. Kwaheri. Number three. See you later. Tutaonana baadaye. See you later. Tutaonana baadaye. Number four. Yes, ndio. Yes, ndio. Number five. No, hapana. No, hapana. Number six. I don't understand. Sielewi. I don't understand. Sielewi. Number seven. Can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia. Can you help me? Unaweza kunisaidia. Number eight. I am hungry. Nina njaa. I am hungry. Nina njaa. Number nine. I need water. Ninahitaji maji. I need water. Ninahitaji maji. Number 10. Welcome again. Karibu tena. Welcome again. Karibu tena. Please go to YouTube search Learn Swahili language with Abbas. Thank you.